It happened within 5 minutes of their turning their phone over to someone that they trusted at an established car dealership. In that short period of time, their private photographs were rifled through, and intimate and private photographs were sent to an email associated with swingers for the viewing pleasure of an unknown number of individuals. Undoubtedly, this is not the first time that this has happened, but we hope the public awareness will help to put a stop to it.
I feel that my privacy and dignity were taken away, and I believe that Toyota should be held responsible for what happened. I also want to stand up for women who this may have happened to, and I want to make sure that it does not happen to anyone else. I hope to bring awareness and prevent others from being victimized as I was.
I feel that Toyota did not care about what happened to us and went out of its way to attempt to shield the identity of the perpetrator. I'm proud of my wife for having the courage to come forward, and we stand together in order to prevent this from happening to others.